Today we are talking about rug cleaning, specifically rug cleaning with Ryobi tools. Now, the reason why I say this is that it's super important and it's so convenient because you don't even need electricity in order to use this. Now, we're going to use this is the chemical sprayer. It's 18 volts. You don't have to pump. Save your hands, save your shoulders. Now, this is a really awesome rug. This is a ruggable rug and it's something that we use because we have 7 children, 2 dogs, and as you can see the puddles, it's so disgusting. Best way to do it, get out there and pressure wash it. Now, I threw the soap on it with that chemical sprayer, and that is carpet soap. Now, this is a 600 psi battery powered, 40 volt battery powered pressure washer. And what I'm doing here is this is actually going to agitate and push a lot of that dirt out. And at the same time, that soap is going to start foaming to really start to pull any of the stains as the water is pushing a lot of that nasty, grimy crap all the way through. And this is actually really safe stuff as well. We don't use any harmful cleaners. But as you can see, it's pushing it, it's foaming, it's doing a great job. You're seeing everything get pushed off of the rug, and this is exactly what we want to do. Now, if you do know the Ruggables, you know that it has a few more pieces to it, but we also have more rugs than just that. This is the carpet that sits outside of our door. Now watch this as I'm pushing it. Look at this dirt come right off of it. This is an outdoor and indoor rug. Look at this. Oh, I'm fast forwarding it. This is so satisfying to watch. I just love this. And getting all the dirt and the grime out of this is very difficult any other way washing these really thick rugs. Now as you see this is actually Velcro, and it's rubber on one side, Velcro on the other. This is what goes on the back of the ruggable rug, if you will, and this keeps it in place, and it's really nice. And with that rubber, it's semi-waterproof, so it keeps a lot of that contaminants and liquids and whatever else, and spills and urine and everything there. It makes it a little bit easier to wash, but with Velcro, man, that power washer does a great job. Now, we're going to use volume water at this point, and we are just going to douse this thing and really get all of the soap out of it. Wash anything else that's in there completely out. And this is the way that you really want to wash these rugs. Now, the biggest thing is you got to dry it. If you just let it sit on the ground and you don't have the proper drying for it, it's never going to get done. I had a brilliant idea, if you want to call it brilliant, and I hung it off the gutter. And I gotta say, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know if it was gonna work, but at the end of the day, it actually worked out really well because this is a very large rug. It's like a 12 by 12 rug. And again, 40 volt fan. This thing is amazing. It helped really dry it out, get that draft going, evaporate all that water. I got a couple other little fans setting out there as well. Everything is good to go. I'm so satisfied with this. Thanks for watching.